Grab a plastic bottle, take a serrated knife and carefully cut off the neck of the bottle. We only need the neck, so set the rest aside for another project. Now, remove the bottle cap completely. Next, we'll need some mosquito netting. Take a pair of scissors and trace around the bottle cap to cut out 2 small, identical circles of the netting. Grab a hot soldering iron or a similar tool and carefully create a few small holes in the bottle cap. Now, place both pieces of netting inside the cap. Once they're securely in place, screw the cap back onto the neck of the bottle. Next, grab a latex balloon. Using scissors, cut it right down the middle to separate the top half from the bottom. Take the top part of the balloon and attach it firmly to the open end of the bottle neck. Make sure it's snug and won't come loose. Now you might be wondering, what is this for? Regular faucets can be frustrating. Sometimes you wish they could swivel or reach more angles, especially when you're cleaning or washing larger items. By attaching this genius faucet adapter to your sink, you can transform any standard faucet into a rotating, flexible tap.